Here we have as good of an example of a Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 you will find for sale in the UK today. It's done 5,700 miles. It's finished in GT silver, which I just think shows off the car tremendously well. It's a PDK. A lot of the cars available are manuals. PDK gives you 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. You get that increased performance. It's a GT4 4-litre flat 6, so it's a real driving sports track style Porsche. And I think the colour GT silver, as I mentioned, is a classic colour, and it just shows off all them sections really, really well. I like how they've gone for more of a traditional look with the car. Front splitter, the inserts, it just sits and looks lovely. And you've got all the different air intakes. You've got the section on the nose cone. 20-inch wheels again, classic colour, silver, black calipers, which have been paid for as an option. I think they look really, really well. You've got your GT4 badging. You've got them wonderful big sections on the rear sections there, which just have all pushing that air through. And then from the rear, you've got that great retro look, if you like, with a big spoiler, rear diffuser. It's got the sports exhaust, which is again an option. You've got rear sensors, you can see on the rear bumper there, again an optional extra. But it's just a classic looking GT4, only 5,700 miles on. Porsche warranty till 2025, in great condition. But most importantly, if you do your research and you want one of these cars, I've just priced it. It's the best buy in the UK by £2,000. The next car to it is blue, which doesn't look a patch on this example we've got here. 2 keys, tracker, and then look at it inside. Again, this is when you see, when I'm talking about conditions of cars, so you've got all the Alcantara, you've got the stripped out door cards with the lovely little handle on there. Look at the kick plates with a GT4. You've then got carbon fibre interior, which runs along the section where your cup holders pop out and along the passenger section. GT4, look at the condition of the leather, beautiful. Alcantara steering wheel. And then if we get in, I said 5,700, it's actually done 5,378 miles. Even things like the steering wheel, on a couple of other Porsches we've had, you sometimes get quite a bit of wear. Even when they haven't done lots of miles, it is in lovely condition. Great engine as well, 4-litre, flat 6, 414 brake horsepower, sports exhaust, and then you've got the PDK sport button there as well. Heated seats. You've got your park assist as well, you can just hear that beeping. I love this as well. If you look at the centre armrest, you can see you've got the Porsche logo there as well. But for me, it is about the exterior colour, the way it's been spec'd, and the condition. It's beautiful. We've warmed it up. It sounds tremendous. It's a great fun car to drive. And it's priced. It's priced to sell. If you want to call me or any more information, you can give me a call. The number's on the bottom of the screen. But if you're in the market for a 718 GT4 like that, that's as good of an example you will ever find.